Want to move to Europe without waiting years? Latvia might be your fastest ticket, especially for professionals. Latvia offers a fast-track visa for professionals in IT, healthcare, and engineering, helping you relocate to Europe quickly. Step 1. Check eligibility online through Latvia's official immigration portal. The process starts with a simple self-assessment. You'll need a valid passport, a job offer from a Latvian company, your degree, and proof of experience. Securing a job offer from a Latvian employer is crucial. Most fields prioritize IT, medical, or technical skills. Each profession has a minimum salary: IT, 2,400 euros, engineering, 2,100 euros, healthcare, 1,900 euros before taxes. Complete your work visa application online. Double-check all fields for accuracy to avoid processing delays. Include proof of health insurance and an employment contract. All documents must be translated into Latvian or English. Once approved, you'll receive a Latvian residence permit card, granting you legal status in the EU. Good news, your immediate family can join you in Latvia under the same residency program. Your Latvian permit allows easy travel and work access within the EU's Schengen area. Mobility is a major perk. Enjoy living in Riga, a vibrant city offering both modern amenities and a rich European culture. Latvia's professional community is growing fast, making networking and career growth much easier here. Is Latvia your next career move? The opportunity is real. Start your European journey today.